Hey Crafty Tay and Van. So today we are about to do a Happy Meal McDonald's toy review. So let's start. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tay and Van. Okay, so we have this Jurassic World toy inside, and we're gonna show you guys how to make these doors right here to open and close and stuff. So let's start. Whoa, I got an egg. Me too. Okay, let's start doing the doors. Okay, so first you see all those lines. You're gonna go down in that middle first. I'm gonna go ahead and go in that middle, hold the back inside, and kind of fold. We got it. And then you're gonna kind of like get your nail on it, and go ahead and go down the slot. Okay, so now we're gonna open the door and get our egg out. Okay, now let's start opening it. Got my egg. Let me start opening mine. The door part to open. Okay. Whoa! Look at what dinosaur I got. This is cool. Can you help me? Yeah. I'm gonna open it. Okay. I don't know what kind it is. Whoa! Look, guys. So you pull down the tail, and it goes, and the mouth opens. Oh, that's cool. Got the same one. Put on its tail. See, the mouth opens. That was actually cool, and we can put it in the egg. Oh yeah, it's like it started cracking. It's a cool baby dinosaur. You can also close it back up. Yeah. And open it back up if you want. Guys. And look. It has teeth and then it oh. It looks so cool. How to open it is basically you have to push on it and it'll go ahead and open. And you see his tail, and then it goes down, and his mouth opens. That's how you make the mouth open. Yeah, and then it goes close to up. So that's why these lines are right there to show you that you can push it down and the mouth will open. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching our toy review, Happy Meal, Jurassic World. So like and subscribe. Bye, Crafty Tay and